Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Another Saturday, another shave, and as always we've got a good one lined up for you today. You've seen in the thumbnail, but we'll run through the stuff and I'll explain a few things. The brush, check this out, that's a 3D, you see that? 3D printed brush. Got that from Etsy. I'll try and put a link underneath. And it's the old screwdriver handles, you know, from the 1970s. And that's the pattern he's took. And he's put a brush, beautiful. Very, very soft brush indeed. We'll put that in there in the official John Shave Super Soaker. And then we'll crack on, show you the rest of the stuff. Right, we'll start with a razor. There you go. I used that because the wood matched everything else, as you can tell by the thumbnail. And that's the Stirling Aggressive head I got from Shaving Time is on that, and in that we're going to be putting a Vidyut Supermax. See, it says there Vidyut. I've used Vidyuts before, but I don't know if this is regular Supermax. I've used Supermax blades, but I didn't know that they were made by Vidyut. There it is, that's what it looks like there. And yeah, I just thought Vidyut blades and Supermax blades were something different. Wow, stainless there, good looking blade. It feels very, very sharp. And we'll get that in and we'll put that into soak. And then we'll talk a little bit about the star of the show. There you go, we'll put that on there. That's just a generic handle. I bought a razor from eBay for £2. The head was, I threw the head away when it came, it was atrocious. But that handle was nice. And that's, I think it's called an Uomo, or a Kuomo bamboo handle with a sterling head on it. There you go. After the shave, we've got Woody's aftershave balm. Good stuff that, guys, good stuff. And we're gonna splash up with the Woody's aftershave splash. Very thick, viscous, oily, but it smells fantastic and it nourishes the skin too. Now all that said, last but by no means least, here we go. It's the fat. Check this out, guys. First time ever for me, I can't believe. I've been shaving all these years and I'm only just getting around to using it. There it is. It came in a very, very hard puck. I mean, the hardest soap puck I've ever experienced. Triple milled and then some. I mean, I was pressing and tapping on it, nothing. And I grated it down. The puck was slightly smaller than that and it was rattling. So I grated it down and pressed it in, and I grated a bit more and pressed it in and grated it. My arm was aching by the end of it. A very, very hard puck. To me, scent string, I would put about 3.5. What does it smell like? It smells like Dove soap to me, Dove soap bar. I got, actually, I've got a total bar. Yeah, a little Dove soap bar there. It smells something like that to me. Another thing I got is when you were a child and you would have those little white bars, little tiny white bars of soap at school to wash your hands in, and it smells like that, like a generic, a fresh, clean, soapy scent, but a generic soapy scent, but nice nonetheless. There, look, it's Mitchell's Wolfart original 1893 formula, prepared with natural lanolin. I've got the website here, guys. I'll just read what it says. It says it's £18.10. That's about $20 for 125 grams. What's that, about 6 ounces? I think that's about 6 ounces, that. It says Mitchell's shaving soap is made with natural lanolin and creates a great lather for perfect shaving results. His gentle soap is suitable for sensitive skin. Comes complete with an attractive ceramic shaving bowl, and it is an attractive ceramic shaving bowl. That's how mine came, but obviously I've grated it down. There you go. It says £18.10. I got this. I got mine from eBay for £16.10. eBay, Amazon, £16.10. I'll put a link underneath if I can. Amazon have got them on sale. There's something like an extra 10% off. It made it about £16.10 or £16.20 thereabout. But it makes a difference, doesn't it? There you go. Now, I've never used it. I've seen people use it, and I've heard about all the drama. Can you lather Mitchell's wool fat soap? Well, the first thing I did after I grated it in there was I came in here with the first ever shaving brush that I bought. Look at that. It's lost so many hairs. That was it there, and I dipped it in water and I tried to make a lather, and I'm not going to tell you what happened. I'm going to show you. So it had better work now. So without further ado, wet the face. And then we'll crack on with this Saturday shave, and we'll have some chat. And we'll see how you go. So I've heard all the rumours. You can't lather it, you can't, oh, it's the water in it. But let's have a look. There we go, 3D printed black brush was only about £15. 3D printed brush, straight in, you'll see it as I do it. And I know I say this every time. You see that, guys, look, already. So what we'll do is, because it's so hard, it may take just a little bit long. But look at this, look at it, you see it? It may take just a little bit longer just to get enough loaded onto the brush. But hey, you know, struggling. You see these people that struggle with Mitchell's. No such problems here. Can you see? Look at this in Johnsville. So if anyone's struggling with Mitchell's wool fat soap, and look at this. I'm going to have to wash my hands. It's very slick, guys. Wow. Just put my hands in the water there. Wow, that's very. I'm going to have to dry my hands on this. That's very slick indeed. Here we go. Look at this now. This is a very soft brush. So I wasn't expecting, I mean, mega soft. What I'd actually picked up the Simpson's T3 to use with it. But then realised I hadn't used this. No, that's mega soft too. And the results are the same. Look at this. Right, now you've seen it yourself there on camera. Look at this, let's go for the lean then. Look at this, guys. That didn't, what we on? 8 minutes, I don't know how long I was lathering for. Certainly wasn't 8 minutes, but there you go. So if anyone says they have trouble lathering with Mitchell's, all I can say is I don't know why. There you go. And that blade, I don't remember, I've used it before because the pack was open. But wow, that's a good blade. That's a good blade, and that soap, this soap is very slick, guys. It smells absolutely lovely. It really does. I mean, my father never used this. We're not far from Bradford, we're not far at all. What, on the top of my head, 30 miles maybe? Not. But you know, I only ever heard of this soap once I came into wet shaving. You never see it advertised. You never see it in the shops. Yeah, it's a bizarre one. If you've seen it in a shop, please let me know. Because it's excellent soap, excellent quality, and you'd love to support locals, wouldn't you? But I can't help thinking they would get a lot more sales if this was sold in a brick and mortar store. I think they themselves have a brick and mortar store. And just out of curiosity, one day soon, I may make a video of it. May actually drive up and have a scoot around See if they'll let me do some filming. But look at this, guys. So how's your week going? How's your week been? What are you up to? What's your shave of the day? And come on, what's the other one? What's your slurp of the day? When I've finished in here, I'm going for a nice cup of coffee. It's been a long week. Well, it's been a strange week, I'll be honest with you. But it's over now, all's good. It's been very busy, oh man. It has. But I'm going to have a coffee and then later on I will have a glass of wine. And chill out, and we'll probably put a movie on. So what are you doing? What are your plans for the weekend? I haven't really got a great deal to say to you this week, guys, for a couple of reasons. Well, no, not a couple of reasons really. For one reason, it's been the bizarrest of weeks. I mean, I'm okay now, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I was struggling to stay awake. I just couldn't. It's just not like me. I'm normally up at 4:30 before the alarm goes off at 4:45. I'm normally up before that, but no. I've been going to bed an hour earlier and sleeping in. I've been sleeping in the afternoons, just falling asleep in the chair. And my wife's been the same, so whatever it is, my, I'll dip the tips here now. My opinion is it's something to do with the changing of the season. I think we're going now, we're starting to leave winter behind. Heading in towards spring, things are starting anew. The lunar cycle's going round. The nights are getting lighter. The mornings are getting lighter. The days are getting longer. And I just think your body, your internal time measuring mechanism, or whatever you want to call it, I think it needs to reset itself. Now, I know the body heals itself when you sleep, or maybe it resets. It's like a factory reset, you know, your mobile phone. You switch yourself off and back on again. Maybe that's what happens when you sleep at this time of year. Maybe we should just sleep for a week. Oh man, I would be up for that. Go to bed on Monday night and say, wake me up Saturday morning. Oh, yeah. So that's it. There's not a lot going on. There's not a lot. And combined with that, it's been busy at work and I've been busy in my private life. I've got stuff going on, like I said, nothing bad, just busy, you know. But it's stuff that I have to do. That was a good shave, guys. Lather mittens, look at that. Look at this. Oh. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful. That's absolutely wonderful. Wonderful. So if you're thinking about getting Mitchell's Wool Fat, I would recommend it. There we go. Let's get that on there. And then that will be our shave. I don't know if I'm, because I'm tired and I've got so much to do, I don't know if I'm subconsciously speeding through this. What are we on, 14 minutes? I don't know. I just seem to be going faster. And I'm trying to slow myself down, if anything. Here we go. Let's do the leaning. Look at that, guys. Look. Brilliant. Not a hair, nothing. That is our shave. So like I said, please let me know what your shaves of the day are. Let me know what you think of Mitchell's Wool Fat. Most importantly, let me know what you're drinking. I'm only kidding. Oh, here we go. The weekend starts, eh? A glass of wine, something nice to eat, and just chill out. I had a phone call with my boss before and I said to him, we get up Monday and he starts all over again, and he went, oh, don't. So there we go. So that's us. Yeah. Woodies. Here we go. This is an unusual scent. Look at this, look. Look, it's so thick and viscous. Oily. But, oh yeah. Well, there's a good bit of burn now. You know, it smells almost like a faint sandalwood and cedarwood scent. I really do need to do a little bit more research as to what's in there, and then we'll do the Woodies balm. This, guys, the aftershave I got online, but this was a TK Maxx find. Good stuff, £3, TK Maxx. It really is pretty good stuff, and it smells nice too. And that, oh, it does smell nice as well. Complements this very, very well. And that is our shave. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for all your support via the comments and your likes and your views. I've got some stuff coming this week. Maybe do some unboxes. Look, target reached, look, 8,000 steps. Sometimes I feel like I've done 8,000 steps before I get in my van at like 8 o'clock in the morning. But anyway, there we go. That's it. Thanks, guys. Look after yourselves. And I had a new quote, but I forgot it. So we'll go with Old Faithful. Be the change you wish to see in the world. And then you've changed the world, haven't you? Look after yourselves. And I will see you on Wednesday. Everything crossed for a spectacular Wednesday shave. Bye.